Greetings everyone. Here is how you can enable Classic Editor on WordPress using codes. For that, log into your WordPress dashboard. We are already in. Let me create a post. Add new post. So this is the default WordPress editor. For those who wants the Classic Editor, let me quickly go to the dashboard. Go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Click on Functions.php. Scroll down. And here is the code we are going to use. Simply copy this code and paste it here. Update file. This is done. If I refresh this, so this is the Classic Editor. By the way, instead of using theme function, you can also create your own plugin. Or if you really do not want to use codes on theme files, then you can use our plugin. Search for ideas to code. This is the plugin. This also will duplicate page or posts. Install and activate the plugin. And if you go Settings, these options are for duplicating page and posts. And this is for disabling revisions. And this is for the editor. Save changes. And if I refresh this, it will remain the same. And if you disable this, it will go back to default editor. So you can use custom codes or this plugin. Thank you very much.